In this video, we look at the WASSCE 2023 Core or General Mathematics, the Nigerian paper, objective question number 26, and it says that the interior angle of a regular polygon is 6 times its exterior angle. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Before we start, if today is your first time on my Mystudentclass channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be promptly informed anytime we upload a new video. And hey, one more thing, click the like button so that the video can reach a lot of people. Thank you. Now let's continue. Now, a polygon is an enclosed plane figure. If the polygon has 3 sides, it is called a triangle. If it has 4 sides, it is called a quadrilateral. If it has 5 sides, it is called a pentagon. If it has 6 sides, it is called a hexagon. If it has 7 sides, it is called a heptagon, and it goes on like that. Now we are talking about the interior angles of a polygon. Now if you sum all the angles in a polygon, that is the interior angles, the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 times n minus 2, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. That is the sum of all the interior angles. So when we are talking about just one interior angle, then we have to divide the sum by the number of sides. It is as simple as that. Let me try to explain this. Example, let us assume that we have a triangle that has equal sides. Now what is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? Because a triangle is a polygon, we will use 180 times n minus 2. But for a triangle, the number of sides is 3. So this implies that we have 180 times 3 minus 2. And when you take 2 from 3, we get 1. So we have 180. So if the sum of the interior angles of the triangle is 180, then what do you think will be the size of one of the angles? Because we have 3 angles or 3 sides, we divide by 3. That is the number of sides. So each of the angles will be 60 degrees. In the same vein, if the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 180 times n minus 2, and we want just one angle, then we have to divide by n, which is the number of sides. Now when we talk about the exterior angle of a polygon, the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. That is the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon. So if we want one exterior angle, then we divide by the number of sides. So that is the exterior angle of a polygon. Now the question says that the interior angle, that means one interior, not a sum. So this, that is 180 times n minus 2 over n of a regular polygon is 6 times, so it is equal to 6 times its exterior angle. That is one exterior angle, and that is 360 on n. So find the number of sides. So that is simple change of subject. It means we have to make n the subject. So let me simplify this. You see, this is 180 n minus 2 on n, and that is equal to 6 times 360 here, and down here we have n. Now we can cancel these two denominators, because when we cross multiply, or let me say that half cross multiply, when n comes here, it can cancel this n. So in effect, we will get 180 times n minus 2 here, then we have 6 360 here. Now I know what you are thinking about. You want me to expand this, but I'm not going to do that. The reason is that I do not want to get higher figures, because I don't want to expand this and create problems. I don't want to use calculator here. So if I'm finding n and there is no n here, and 180 is the coefficient, then why do I even have to expand this? I just have to divide by 180 here and get rid of the 180. So 180 will cancel 180. 180 here will go into 360 twice. So we have n minus 2 now. Then we have 6 times 2 is 12. So to make n the subject, I add 2 to both sides here, because I want to cancel this. Or you can just say, let the negative 2 come to the right, the sign will change, you have positive. So the number of sides is 12 plus 2, which is 14. So that means the polygon has 14 sides, and the correct answer is B.